been kind of hard to film and work at the same time. I'm still trying to work around that. I'm trying to figure out different ways, maybe get a tripod or something like that. Yeah, I want to apologize for that, for not giving you guys more content, but still working on it. I got a lot of things planned. So Wonder's working on this on Veronica's ILX, and I'm working on this TL. Alright, so finally, Dope TL is back. Mr. Coco Bay had the car for a couple of months, so he tucked all the wires for the engine harness. He shaved the bay, painted the bay, and tucked everything. Eliminated the ABS. Looks very clean. Clean work. Shout out to Coco Base. Follow him on Instagram. Oh, is it Honda Freaks? I think it's Honda Freaks. It looks very clean though. Look at this. Yeah. The Type S. Here we have So Icy.
With a little bit of Becky in it.
Got a little bit of Becky Soul. Trying out the fitment, see how it looks on this car. Yeah, this is actually a nice color combo. The teal with the brush look. Should have clean. Break. Super break.
Midlife crisis.
Facts. Midlife crisis.
Some people call it midlife crisis.
It's dope. Alright, look who's back. Tito GS. Missed the setup. It's one of our best trunk setups so far. We haven't finished the trunk setup. Working on the trunk lid, putting speakers on the trunk lid. So I don't know if you guys remember the setup. Clean, CT sounds. Those are 8s, by the way. 8-inch CT sounds. Sounds pretty nice. We got the airlift management with the hard lines. We got the CT sound bass amp and the vocal amps over there. Now, as you can tell, I already started prepping this, taping where the fabrication is going to be at. Got put some rivets in there, some rivets to mount the fabrication. Here are the speakers that's going on the trunk lid. Yo, these speakers are pretty nice, man. Very impressed. CT sounds look beefy for a 6-inch speaker. Very beefy. We've got the tweeter in the middle, woofer, and then it has a little passive crossover thingy-majiggy, you know. CT sounds. This is the Meso 6.5 Coax. 60 watts RMS. But yo, this is impressive. But anyways, so we're gonna have 4 of these on his trunk lid. So just built the enclosure for the vocals. These are the CT Sound Mezzo 6.5s. So obviously they're gonna be 4 speakers. Just ordered these 2, just waiting for it. Should be here in 2 days. Obviously you can tell that I have installed a clear 3/4 inch plexiglass for the front face. The reason I did this is because I want to duplicate the same design I have for the sub box. Yeah, it's mostly for looks, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, it's going to be functional as well. This enclosure is going to help amplify the sound. It will make the low frequency pop out even more. So actually, I can't wait to hear this. This is going to be very interesting. So pretty much this is like the foundation platform where everything's going to be mounted to. So this has 3 screws, is riveted into the trunk lid. And then the speaker pod is going to be mounted onto this board. This is mad cute. So this is the sub box, right? It has a little plexiglass work in there that lights up, and then the subs has white LEDs around the subs. So I'm doing the same exact concept on the sub box, and I'm doing it up here for the vocals. So the whole face is plexi. The inside, you see, got the little plexiglass thingy going on. And then the circles behind the speakers is gonna be lit. So that's gonna be the white LEDs. It's coming along. All right, so I'll be ready to wrap. All right, so just finished wrapping the back piece. I still have to install the LEDs in the back, but everything is ready and wrapped. Now, I'm about to wrap the inside of this, the inside walls and the outside as well, because that's gonna be visible. So, I cut a couple of strips. So I'm gonna do it by, per section. So this will be for the inside, and then another strip is gonna be for the outside. Put everything in place to see how he's looking. He's looking nice. So tomorrow I'm going to build a front face just to cover the seam right here where the 2 vinyl meets. But it's looking nice. See? I will have to wrap this back there, wrap that back there, put the LED lights, and obviously add the 2 speakers. But everything is done. So I'm just waiting for the speakers. Actually, I think it's here today. I have to go get the speakers right now, but I have to add the speakers in there. Just added some LED lights in the back for ambient lighting. Let me see what else. Everything is wrapped inside and outside because everything's going to be visible. So this is the little beauty board face to cover the screws and all the little imperfections. And yeah, and now unfortunately I didn't plan out when I had the car here, so I had to take everything apart to wire up the vocal amps. I don't know if you guys seen this part of the build, but it looks nasty right now. It looks ugly. It's crazy what the beauty board does to us, you know, to a setup like this. Yeah, you see, taking this apart, look what happened. Yeah, see, you gotta be careful, guys, but it's all part of the process. Getting cut, bleeding, sweating. That's what goes into these builds. Sweat, tears, blood, everything. So just to let you guys know that it's a lot of work. Made some holes to run the wires. So all the wiring is going to be run through here. I have to route all the wires for the speakers, the LEDs, the chasing. So these are the speaker wires. Speaker wires. Obviously, I have to label them. CT Sounds. Make sure the speakers is clean. Yeah. All the way around. All right. So now, gotta wire them up. Positive, negative. See what I did? I soldered the tips to make it easier.
Word.
And another one. The finished touch of the speaker pods. CT Sounds. Got the little design, same design as the subs in the bottom. And the ambient lighting behind the speakers. Fetch. Clean, clean. Which one is your favorite setup?